everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this dollhouse bedroom furniture set that was sent to me from Eve's Toy Shop. Each piece of furniture is wrapped in paper and there are a total of 15 pieces. These include a chair with a cushion, a printed rug, a lamp, a stool, a bedside table, a double bed with stylish bedding, a dressing table, and a wardrobe with 3 hangers. The wooden furniture is beautifully designed and nicely painted in soft shades of pink. The scale of the furniture is 1:12, making an ideal size for Sylvanian families, Littlest Pet Shop, and similar sized toys and dolls. Overall, I'm really impressed with this bedroom furniture set. It's super cute, sturdy, and well made, which makes it a perfect addition to any wooden dollhouse. Now I thought it'd be fun to show you how to make some miniature crafts to go along with this furniture set. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing and crafts, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!